Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we have a sad, almost tragic video about a 46-year-old diabetic farmer from Nigeria whose massive growth went untreated for almost a decade. But don't worry, this story does have a happy ending, so stick around. We first covered him on World's Greatest Medical in June of 2016, when Adam, aka Mr. Blackhead, created a brief video documentary about his condition. It got almost 500,000 views on YouTube alone. The farmer lived with a giant lump which mysteriously grew on his back for over 10 years, and his plight was brought to public attention through social media and YouTube videos. This triggered an outpouring of worldwide public sympathy and financial support to foot his medical bills. It's nice to see that videos like ours can help raise awareness for medical treatment and life-altering operations. So make sure to click like and subscribe for more videos like this. A cardiothoracic surgeon and consultant, Professor Bito, led a 4-hour surgery to remove the growth from the patient's back. Let's look at the result. The patient is said to be doing well, and he's resuming a normal life as a farmer in Nigeria. So please leave him or the medical team a comment below with well wishes and notes of appreciation.
Hey, my name's Leanne. I'm checking in with Thynergy. I've been on it for 4 months now, and I am continuously still losing weight. I have a lot more energy. My dog's super happy because he gets to go on a lot more walks, and we actually did a 8-mile hike last weekend, which was a lot of fun.
Looking for a great way to cut weight and look great? Well, it's time to check out Thynergy. Available exclusively from Amazon, Thynergy is America's top weight loss supplement. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace.
Thynergy, you guys are helping people lose weight.
This is a shout out to the team at Thynergy.
Thynergy.
To all the crew at Thynergy, I wanted to just tell you guys to keep losing all the weight. You're doing amazing, and congrats on hitting your goals.
I highly recommend Thynergy. I think you should give it a shot.